A volcano is located at 15 and 10 on a coordinate plane. The lettered points on the coordinate plane represent the cities around it. The government reminds those cities around the 14-kilometer radius of the volcano to take precautionary measures in case of emergency. Find the equation of the circle that represents the range of the volcano and sketch the circle. Which among the cities are outside the 14-kilometer radius of the volcano? Therefore, the center of the circle is 15 and 10, and its radius is square root of 14 units. Cities among outside the 14-kilometer radius of the volcano are Fayville, Resholand, and Crystalline Wonderland.
Moving on to our problem, it says here that a paraboloid light reflector is 12 inches wide and 6 inches deep. Where should the light source be placed to produce a concentrated beam of light? Ang ating vertex dito ay nasa origin. At mula sa origin, bilang tayo ng 6 units pataas at mula ron, 6 units ulit sa right and left. Bakit 6 units at hindi 12? Kasi ang magiging distance dapat nila sa isa't isa ay 12. Now, as the problem states, pinapahanap sa atin yung light source or in this case, the focus. Ang ating focus ay nasa 0A. Para mahanap yung A, kailangan natin gamitin ang isa sa mga equations ng parabola. Sa situation na to, gagamitin natin ang x squared equals 4ay. Since given na ang ating x and y, isa-substitute lang natin sila sa equation, kaya naging 6 squared equals 4a times 6.
Ngayong na-substitute na natin, isolve na natin siya. So, 6 squared is equal to 36. 4a times 6 is 24a. Divide both sides by 24. At makakancel yung 24, which leaves us with a 36 over 24. Then, 36 divided by 24 is equal to 1.5. At lagay na natin siya sa ating graph. Therefore, the light source is 1.5 inches away from the vertex.
Good day everyone. For question number 3, an elliptical oval is 60 meters long. Two poles located at the foci are 40 meters apart. How wide is the oval? The given is A is equal to 30 and B is missing and C is equal to 20. Yan nakuha ang 30 sa A kasi ang kalahati ng 60 is 30. Ganun din sa C, sa foci. Kalahati ng 40 which is 20.
Now, we'll have an equation of a squared is equal to c squared plus b squared. Isa-substitute natin yung given na vertex and foci na galing sa our problem natin, which will give us 30 squared is equal to 20 squared plus b squared. Ngayon, we will gonna do transpose natin pagkasamahin natin yung 30 squared and 20 squared. Kaya magiging equation natin is b squared is equal to square root of 30 squared minus 20 squared. Next step will be simplifying. 30 squared is going to give us 900 and 20 squared will give us 400. Next step is we're going to subtract 900 to 400 and that will give us 500. Then, we're going to get the square root of 500 and it will give us 22.36. And the final step is we're going to multiply it by 2 kaya magiging final answer natin is 44.72. Now, we have the value of b squared. Therefore, the oval is 44.72 meters wide.
The side of a cooling tower represents a hyperbola. The width of the slimmest part of the cooling tower is 50 meters. The length from this point to the top is 64 meters. The diameter of the top of the cooling tower is 60 meters. Find the equation of the hyperbola that represents the sides of the cooling tower. Set the middle of the slimmest part of the origin.
Now, what we want to find in this problem? We want to find the equation of the hyperbola. Since the center of the hyperbola is at the form of the origin, the form of the hyperbola is like this: x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared is equal to 1. We do not know what the value of a, so we have that question mark. We do not know the value of b, so this is question mark also. And if you can find the value of a and b, we will be able to find the equation. In order to achieve that, let's recall the concept of hyperbola. So here is the hyperbola center at the point of the origin.
Value of b. We used the given values of x squared slash h and y squared over k, which are 60 and 64 meters respectively. With this, we can use the formula 900 over 625 minus 4096 over b squared is equals to 1. Next is we derived the formula to get the value of b squared, which will be 900 over 625 minus 1 is equals to 4096 over b squared. We get the difference of 900 and 625, which is 275. We will get the equation 275 over 625 equals 4096 over b squared. We can then cross multiply to get the equation 275 equals 2560000 over 275 b squared. We can then divide both sides by 275 until all we're left of is b squared is equals to 9,309.09090909, or just 9,309.09. This is how we got the final answer of x squared over 625 minus y squared over 903.09 equals 1.